Welcome. I'm going to work on a maker project that I've been trying to do for many a years, had it in the box, and would like to show it to you. Right here, it's the MakeBlock Radio Shack, remember that company? And that's how old this box is. And this is going to be a robot tank. And it's just a starter kit, and here are all, I've laid out all the pieces and got to page, let's see, here's one is where we're gonna be. I did a little bit, not much. Oh, here we go, page 2, and here are our parts, and we're just gonna get started. So I'll keep you posted, see how I'm doing. So here it is, finally. It's got two little cute eyes. I did have a little bit of trouble in that I had to update the firmware that was in the Orion microcontroller that's in there. Had to, because when I downloaded the app onto my phone, it did, and I was using an iPhone, it did not it kept telling me to update the firmware. It couldn't find the device, and so I had to plug it into a PC. I first tried a Mac, and then my son has a Microsoft PC, so I used that, and after many attempts, and I got a connection and was able to upload the firmware successfully and then Bluetooth connect. So let's give it a whirl. I'll show you how it works. All right, so here we are. My dog's kind of in the way there, but here is, let's see if I can do it. Ah, there we are. It's working. And I just kind of created a little obstacle course around here. Oopsies. Here he is, sneak. There we go. I'm still figuring out the operation. This is what the app remote control looks like. And let's see if we can just show a little. Here's my dog meeting the robot. Out of the way, Bogey. Okay. Uh-oh. Here. It is not intuitive. That is for sure. Maybe if I'm standing behind it, it would be more intuitive. It's certainly not intuitive. Kind of have to feel like you're behind his eyes when you're driving. And when he turns around and he starts driving towards you, Very confusing. There we go. And there he is, going around in a circle. All completo. Thanks for watching, everyone.